Now the On Your Side forecast with Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval.
Well, the big story today, the mild temperatures, the melting snow, and the flooding that's occurring primarily in the Magic Valley, but many parts of southern Idaho seeing that, and soon central Idaho, I believe tonight we'll see more effects from some flooding, maybe as we speak. 57 for the high temperature in Boise, the record high 63, just 6 degrees shy of that. So not good to get record highs after you've been having such mild so much snow. 37 degrees in Ontario, so not as warm here, but there's a lot of melting going on here with those winds that are occurring. 54 degrees in Twin Falls as well. Now, I want to take you on a tour of the elevations to show you what's going on. This is BOGUS Basin today. Look at this temperature here. This is at 6,300 feet. Now, this isn't even the base of the mountain. It's up just a little bit here. 43 degrees right now. Let's take a tour further to the north. This is the top of Tamarack Resort, raining. 39 degrees is the elevation, about 1,500 feet below. That's that temperature there is 1,500 feet below. Basically, we're at 7,700 feet. We know it's raining. We can see it in the camera. A little bit below that, it's 39 degrees. Pretty impressive to see this. At the top of Brundage Mountain now, just going up to 33 degrees at 7,800 feet. Likely some rain showers falling here as well. And in the East Central Mountain, this is the top of Sun Valley Resort at 9,000 feet. It is 33 degrees right now. We, I believe, right now are at the peak of the warming temperatures. In other words, the highest snow levels, we're reaching them right about now, and then they'll start to come down slowly overnight, then come crashing down on Friday. So this is the warmest point. This is when most all of that melting is occurring, where snow is falling only in the highest of elevations and rain is falling everywhere else. The Treasure Valley seeing some scattered showers. This is now the time I think we'll start to see some effects of some of the flooding, some snow slides. There are avalanche warnings in the backcountry through much of central Idaho right now because of the unstable snowpack. So if you have to travel on backcountry roads, keep in mind flooding, snow slides, rock slides are all possible with a weather pattern like this. And tonight and tomorrow morning will be those critical times. Dry conditions in much of the Treasure Valley, scattered showers around as I expected. I don't expect a lot of rain in the Treasure Valley because of the shadowing effect of the air sinking into the valley as it rides up and over the Owyhee Mountains. But in the mountains, we've had a tremendous amount of rain, and there'll still be another inch or so in those higher elevations. Here's our tour of flood advisories now. This is the flood warning I mentioned yesterday for the Boise and West Central Mountains. High avalanche warning, high avalanche warning. That's the high category around the McCall area in the back country of the Pat National Forest. Flooding of city streets, parks, and lots, small creeks, ditches, low-lying roads, and all of these locations that I melted. Another ½ inch to 1.5 inches of rain will fall overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. So again, be careful if you're out there. I want to show you this. This is a flood warning now for the Bruneau River. Highway 51. This is near Hot Springs, but basically it's where the Bruneau River crosses Highway 51. River stage is now at 8.3 feet. It will go up to 9.5 feet. At 9.5 feet, water will approach the bottom of the bridge where Highway 51 crosses the river, the mile marker 77, and debris may begin to pile up at the bridge. It's supposed to go to 10.3 to 10.5 feet, actually 10.1 feet at flood cresting during the day tomorrow. So it's something we're going to have to watch because likely Highway 51 will be closed because of that, and the flood advisory because of the melting snow that occurring in the lower Treasure Valley. So again, the big picture shows all that moisture tracking on in with mild temperatures. Cooler weather is going to start to work its way on in. But before that happens, we have the rain coming in tonight. There's going to be a lot of it. Again, my computer doesn't want to show it to you, but I will tell you 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain likely in those higher elevations still to this point overnight tonight. Tomorrow, still very mild in the Treasure Valley. We're going to see some sunshine tomorrow. It is not going to be a rainy day in the Treasure Valley. Let me stress that. We're going into the 50s. The wind is going to be light. The sun is going to come out mixed with clouds. It's going to be a pretty amazing day, but we'll still have to deal with the melting going on. Many of the flood advisories, though, may expire before the afternoon. Temperatures in the mid-30s as the snow levels come down to 5,500 feet in the West Central Mountains. Snow levels coming down to 7,400 feet, being up near 9,000 feet right now. They'll come down to 7,400 feet tomorrow. We'll get back to normal in the ski areas. Rain showers are likely in the Magic Valley with a temperature of 46 degrees. Here is my On Your Side extended forecast. 51 degrees tomorrow. Now I think it's probably going to be even warmer than that. I should have changed that up to about 53 or 54 degrees for a high tomorrow. And lots of sunshine into next week. Boy, let's get past the next 24 hours. It's been very busy. It's going to get pretty nice out there.
It looks it. Thanks,
All right, thanks, Scott.